Happy noon Eastern, everyone, and welcome back to the Train Simulator series here on my channel. And it is actually the much anticipated route tour. Now, going north here, you'll actually see we're going north of Quakertown, going past the storage siding where several pieces of equipment are stored. All of these are at least representations in some loose form of what my mental image of the Quakertown and Southern's roster looks like. I will likely put that roster in the description below, so just keep in mind my mental image is a little different, but I try to get things that were close. Now we're passing some more car storage as well as a passing siding, and we're continuing to go north where some of the industrial area is. We got 3 industries over there, a lumber industry off to the right, and then coming up, we have a frozen food company on the right as well as an abandoned siding over on the left. And then we have the 2 primary car storage sidings that lead all the way up to the end of the line at California Road. Turning back around, we're going to be heading back towards the Quakertown station where we will see the primary facilities for the railroad. This is an 18-mile shoreline. It is relatively small, but you may notice that the primary freight and, at the moment, passenger power consists of big 6-axle SD50 power. Again, this is just due to the mental image I have of the Quakertown Southern needing that level of power with regards to the car storage business and that level of flexibility with that. Would that actually happen? I don't know, but hey, it's my imagination, so I get to make the rules. You then see the FL9 that's going to be ready to go, FL9 number 484. And then in the shed, you see one of the coaches, that is coach 404, receiving some work. And then some of the private cars, as well as the other 6-axle EMD that's ready to go. Now, as we head back down to that servicing area for the day's preparations, this kind of imagery I have is kind of the Quakertown Southern's early days, where they have all their equipment, but not all of it's operational. So we just passed the 2 private cars that they're supposed to have, and then we see the dining car and the 2 coaches kind of moving down the line. Those 2 coaches are actually in my mental image, supposed to be former Norfolk Southern coaches, number 46 and 47. And the dining car is supposed to be a Seaboard stainless dining car number 6112. Again, my mental image, all of these cars are actually currently for sale, so I'm just kind of going off of that. Pulling them is SD50 number 2301. It is part of a 3 SD50 batch that is currently available for sale as well down in Texas. And the FL9 is numbered 484 for an FL9 that is actually currently in operating condition, though not operated, up in Canada, and again is also for sale. That is the primary goal I made with this. I wanted to at least have an image of using equipment that is actually currently available for sale. The steam engine you saw in the shed is actually in game the AT&N consolidation, but is meant to represent actually Canadian National 10-wheeler number 1533 of New Hope and Ivyland fame. Coach 404 is a Canadian National coach and needs some metal work at the moment, but again is also available. Now we have a shot of the train coming into the station, where we will shortly begin our route tour, and where my voiceover will end, and some backing tunes from the Wondershare Filmora X filming video editing library will begin. So I hope you enjoy those, and I will see you on the other side of this. And next week we will be back with building the Quakertown and Southern Part 5. So if you like what you see, be sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm trying to get these out on a weekly basis. Again, I do apologize for the delay in this. Filming this kind of took a while, a little bit longer than I was hoping. But again, I hope you enjoyed. So Here's FL9 484 number leading the train into the station as it lines up with the platform, and we begin our tour. And with that, guys, our tour of the Quakertown and Southern comes to a close. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back for the next episode of Building the Quakertown and Southern. See you then, guys. Have a great one.